Good morning, guys. This is Vimal here, and welcome back to TRHD.
Good morning, guys.
Hey, Sheetal.
Hey.
So, guys, today's video is going to be something special because it's the last day of our year, guys, 2018, and I don't want to do the usual things like unboxings and reviews. I want to do something special. I want to enjoy myself today. And just on right time, wait, I'll tell you what's happening. Just on right time, my uncle just called me and told that he bought a new bike. And guess what that is? It's a brand new Harley Davidson. It's the 2018 Softail Deluxe edition, guys. He just called me that he took his delivery and asked me to come check out the bike. So we'll be going there and checking out the bike. I'll show you. It's a beautiful bike, guys. So let's go check it out. You'll be joining me, right?
No, I'm going out.
Oh, no problem. My dad will be coming with me. So me and my dad will be going on our street bob, and my uncle will be coming on his new Softail Deluxe. So let's go check out the bike.
So you guys have fun and Happy New Year to all of you. Bye.
Alright, guys, let's go. Alright, guys, so before leaving, I packed some stuff, all the important stuff like cameras, accessories, and all the required stuff I'll be needing to shoot video over there. So let me just show you what's inside my backpack. So these are all the stuff I'll be carrying for today's vlog. It's more like a vlog, not a video. Okay, so here's my drone, my Mavic Pro. I'll be shooting some great drone videos over there, so you'll enjoy this video definitely. Here's the Mavic's remote, some accessories required for charging batteries, some extra spare blades, and also definitely extra batteries. So with these 3 batteries, I can shoot around like 30 minutes each, so I'll get around easily around 90 minutes of footage, guys. That would be more than enough for this trip. And along with that, I've also got something over here. Let me show you. A power bank for emergency charging of any other stuff like phone or anything. What do we have here? A car charge. Oh, it's a charger. Yes, it's a charger for drone, charging drone's battery. A mini tripod. And there's one more thing. Let me show you. Wait a second. Yeah, an action camera. Let me just open it and show you. Yeah, a 4K action camera. It's a Firefly 8SC. It's a really good action camera. This will definitely help me on my trip. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. These are all the stuff I'll be carrying in my backpack for today. Oh yes, one more thing I forgot. Some extra SD cards. Now without this, it'll be a huge mess. I definitely carry some spare SD cards in my backpack. That's it, guys. These are all the items in my bag. So let's go out and meet my uncle and check out his new bike. So here is our brand new Harley Davidson, the 2018 edition Softail Deluxe. Just look at it! It's such a beauty! Now guys, this is the first Softail Deluxe to be sold in Hyderabad. So that means there's only one such Harley model in my city. Oh my god, it's a beautiful bike. We bought the vivid black model and it looks absolutely stunning. The Harley's all-new 2018 Softail Deluxe is a nostalgic Bollywood custom that turns heads wherever you go. It's a massive bike that weighs around 303 kgs, has classic old-school glamorous looks, and is definitely a head-turner. But don't let its retro styling fool you, cause this bike packs all the latest modern technology you could dream of. Okay, let me just go around and show you how the bike looks like. So what do you guys think? It looks gorgeous, right? Just check out that chrome finishing! Holy smokes, I'm totally in love with this bike. Paint job and the chrome work is on the next level. It's so polished that it looks like a mirror. I just love these retro looking headlamps. We'll come back to that in a moment. First, let me show you the front part. It says Deluxe over here on the front, and look at these wheels. The Softail Deluxe comes with chrome-laced wheels and white wall tires which give you a 50s kind of look but without sacrificing handling or performance. There's a single disc brake on the front and has high-performance suspensions with new technology for excellent performance. Talking about the handlebar, it's got a pullback style handlebar that's very ergonomic and comfortable while riding. Just look at that chrome finishing. It looks very premium. You've got the Harley Davidson logo here, and this is how the petrol tank looks like. It's got a big 5-inch analog plus digital speedometer that shows a lot of info. I'll start the bike and show you that in a moment. Talking about the buttons and switches, you've got the same kind of controls on the handlebar just like my street bob. Harley hasn't changed much here. Alright, let me turn on the engine and show you the display. There you go. So this is how it looks like. On the home screen, it shows you the fuel level and the odometer. By pressing a button on the left handlebar, you can change the modes. You've got trip A, trip B, fuel range, time, and RPM. Below the display, you've got LED indicators which show neutral, low fuel, headlamp, and left and right turn indicators. Just like my previous Harley, even this has a keyless ignition. Let me start the bike and show you Harley's signature V-twin sound. Wow, I'm a huge fan of this sound. I don't know what you guys are hearing in the video, but this is amazing. Now out of the showroom, you'll get the bike with only single seat. If you want a pillion rider seat, then you have to buy it separately from the showroom. It'll cost you around 54,000 rupees. Now let me show you the bike from the side. This bike has an all-new Softail frame which is different from the previous models and has this massive Milwaukee 8 107 V-twin engine with a displacement of 1745cc. It's got 6 gears, 1 down, 5 up, has an engine torque of 144 Nm and comes with a ground clearance of 115 mm. Let's have a look at the headlamp. It's got a triple headlight retro design with all LED lighting and it looks very beautiful thanks to that premium chrome work. So that was our quick look and overview on our new Harley 2018 Softail Deluxe. I have to use this bike for a few days before I can share my experience with it. So if you guys are really interested, just let me know in the comment section and I'll make another detailed video on the bike. And this is not the end of the video. Now it's the last day of 2018 and there's a special hog ride going on today. Now hog means Harley Owners Group. All the Harley bikers from Hyderabad will get together and go on a long drive for about 100 to 150 kilometers outside the city. And we decided to join them and have fun. This is going to be our last ride in 2018. My uncle will be driving his new Softail Deluxe and we'll be going on our Harley Street Bob. So sit back, relax, and I hope you all will enjoy the video. Alright guys, we've arrived here and as you can see there are so many Harleys here. We've got a lot of 750s, some lowriders, street models, sportsters and even some roadsters. Wow, now this ride is going to be a lot of fun. By the way, I didn't tell you this, right? We were doing this ride at early morning 6 o'clock. So we got up at 4:30 in the morning, packed everything and reached the showroom. It was so cold early morning, guys, it was literally freezing. The temperature was around 14 to 15 degrees at that time. It was absolutely nuts riding bike in that cold weather. But well, you know, rides like this don't happen every day and you just can't miss them. It was so much fun riding bike in that weather. I really loved the experience. So initially what we thought was everybody will be meeting at Harley's Banjara showroom and from there we'll be going to some special place via Srisailam highway. That's around 100 kilometers from the city. The ride was really fun. There were almost like 40 to 50 Harley bikers in the group and everybody on the road were looking at us because that's very rare that you actually get to see that many Harleys going at a time. So we finally reached our destination. It was a dhaba where we had a breakfast and celebrated our new year. I had a great time over there and even took some drone shots. Just check them out. Well, that was it for today. We're going back to home. I really had super fun on the last day of 2018, riding our new Harley on a highway, taking great pictures and videos, and also drone flying. I hope you guys also enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome new videos. And yeah, one more thing, I wish you all a very happy and prosperous new year from me and my family. That's it guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in a brand new video next year.